Before you install luxury vinyl tile, the surface it will cover must be clean, smooth, and flat. This particular tile has a built-in pad, so there's no need to install an underlayment. Start in a corner of the longest wall in the room, placing the tiles with the tongue side out. We cut our first row of tiles down to 8 3/4 inches so we would have equal size cut pieces on either side of the room. Each piece should be spaced about 3/8 of an inch from the wall to allow for expansion, so we're aligning them with the base molding because it's a little thicker than that. On the first row, you'll only need to snap the end joints together. After that, we align the end joint and tilt the tile down so the longer joint lines up before we tap both joints in place with a rubber mallet. We're offsetting each new row by half from the previous one. When cuts are needed, simply align the tile and mark the edges at the obstacle. Then connect the lines using a speed square. Cuts can be made with a saw or with a utility knife to score and snap the tiles. Once all the tiles are in place, the shoe molding secures the edges of the flooring. Then you can sit back and enjoy your beautiful floor.